In this video, I'm going to tell you about these Steri-Strips as well as my personal experiences with them and give a quick demonstration on how to use them. These Steri-Strips are thin adhesive bandages made of porous breathable material. The backside here covers the sticky adhesive, but it pulls off very easily to apply. I used these after I sustained an injury while working on a project. It was really bad, but these worked amazing. They stuck on well and held up great. I like to keep some at home, in my car, and in my backpack. They're handy to have anywhere you go. We'll use this glove as a demonstration. First, you cut the top tab to separate it from the rest. Then you peel it off. Next, you place it over the needed area, press it on, and pull off the little tab. After that, cut it off at your desired length. You might only need one, but if you want to get it covered the way mine was, you just repeat the same process over again until you get the desired result. Depending on the area, you may need more or less strips to get the desired coverage, but these Steri-Strips really are amazing. I would give these 5 out of 5 stars and recommend them to everyone because accidents can happen anytime, anywhere, and these are great for those occasions.